I still don't know what happened. However, let me do this cautionary tale. Just to be sure that this was not user error. Okay? I messed around and messed up $130 nail drill. Okay? Messed up. So I had to go out and buy a new one. Still of good value. However, on this new one, I swore to myself that I will make sure to label the power cord that came with it. The other nail drill that I had that I've been using all my videos for years now. I know I think I had that nail drill for maybe 2 years maybe. Barely had to charge it up. So I just tossed the little power cord with the rest of the power cords. And recently, it was time to charge it up. Why I started smelling smoke, y'all? Literally smoke. I said, "Oh my God." I guess I got I picked up the wrong power. Ooh, did I mess up that nail, girl? I don't know. That looked a little off. Okay. Anyway, you see how that looking all lopsided now? These are the nice nail tips, and it has the little lines and stuff in it. So I go in and I use the purple smooth and shape nail bit, whatever. I started smelling smoke, and I said, "Oh my God, I done messed up my drill," and I did. So please make sure you label your power cords when it comes to these any electronics, okay? Girl, I was so upset. And here's the thing, I try to do my nails with just the emery board and things, and it just I couldn't get down to the cuticle good on. I had to. I'm happy now, but I don't like wasting money because of my era. As I said, I'm gonna say it was my fault. Okay. More story is label your power cords to make sure you don't blow out $130 nail drill, y'all. All right.